Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I would like to show you how I cut my binding strips. I'm gonna cut my strips to a width of 6 centimeters. This is my favorite width for double fold binding. I like this double fold binding technique very much. I find it really durable, fast and simple. All you need to do is to attach your binding strip to one side of the page with your sewing machine, bring the binding over the page edge and secure it with the straight stitch. Since double fold binding puts 2 layers of fabric around the edges of my page, it is extra durable and will help the hard-working borders of my book last longer for many generations. My double fold binding video tutorial you can find on my YouTube channel. I will leave the link for you in the description box under the video below. Well, let me show you how I cut my strips and how I prepare these for double fold binding. This is a fabric I'm gonna use for binding my book pages. A few words about what are the 3 grains of fabric. This is a selvage. Often it is a different color, and when you tug on the selvage, it does not stretch at all. This is a straight grain. It runs parallel to the selvage, and if I tug it, it stretches a bit. This is a bias. When you tug on the bias, the fabric stretches a lot. And if you like to cut a true bias, you need to put your ruler at a 45-degree angle to the selvage and cut it. And this is a cross grain. It runs perpendicular to the selvage and stretches a little more. I cut my fabric cross grain from selvage to selvage rather than the traditional method of cutting them on the bias. Cross grain binding is perfect for projects like mine with straight edges and square corners. Bias binding can stretch, and it is a great choice for projects with curved edges. To cut my strips, I'm folding my fabric together selvage to selvage. I'm gonna cut my binding strips to a width of 6 centimeters. This is my favorite width for double fold binding. Cut the binding strips with a rotary cutter and quilting ruler. The amount of strips you need to cut will depend on the perimeter measurement of your project. Now let me show you how to make your binding strips into one continuous strip. Trim the selvage. I am placing my 2 strips perpendicular to each other with the right sides of the fabric facing each other, like so. I am drawing a diagonal line from the top right corner to the bottom left corner, like so. I am pinning the 2 strips together, and now I am gonna sew these strips together along the line. I am on my sewing machine now. I am sewing directly on the pen line. Okay, that's it. All I need to do now is to trim the excess and press the seam open. Once you have one long strip of fabric, Fold it in half lengthwise, wrong sides together, matching up the two long raw edges, and press the fold. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. This is your double fold binding. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Like and share this video if you found it helpful. See you in my next video. Bye for now.